Hello YouTube, this is PandaCoon, and this is going to be a quick little tutorial on how you download and install My Little Pony mod for Minecraft. What this mod does is it changes the characters in Minecraft to ponies, and what you're going to do is go down here. It'll be a little button right here below downloads. You're going to click show, click My Little Pony link right here, and that'll bring you out to this. You click this and it'll open up a zip file. Hopefully you'll open that up with something like WinRAR, like this. And then you're going over here, you're going to open up a folder, type in %app data %, and that'll take you here. Then go into the roaming folder, .minecraft folder, to the bin, and open up this Minecraft thing with WinRAR. Right? When you open that up, it'll take this. What you're going to do is drag and drop all of the files from the My Little Pony zip and drag them into the Minecraft jar over here. Now, I've already done that, but there's one thing you're going to need to delete out of your Minecraft jar, and it'll be a little folder right in between these two saying meta-inf. It'll be in all caps. Delete that, because without that, you'll just get a black screen. Or with that, you'll get a black screen. Then you're going to minimize all of this, and your My Little Pony is installed, but you don't have any of the skins. So you're going to click this link, and that'll take you here. You click this, and that'll open up a new zip folder, which will look a little something like this. Alright, now, my recommendation is extract that to a folder of your choice, extract every single one of these, and bring them into there. And then, you're going to go to minecraft.net, go to the profile button when you're signed in, and then it'll be here. You can either browse for it, or my recommendation on the fast way is open up this folder and drag and drop the one you want, like I'm going with DJ Pwn 3, and just drag it onto the button. Once you do that, click upload, and your skin is set, and the mod is installed. Now, if you have any problems, put them in the comments below. If you don't know where to get WinRAR, just Google it, and if this helped you out at all, please give it a thumbs up. That would really help me.